Good morning. So today I am going to try and take you guys with me as a morning I almost said as a morning assistant, as a medical assistant, but first I have to get ready for work. And y'all, look at my hair. Like, I need to get my life together, so give me a few minutes to get my life together real quick. Okay guys, so I'm ready for work. I got my scrubs on. I'll kind of try and show y'all, but I really can't because it's early and the lighting out there isn't good yet because the sun isn't up. And my bathroom light is not that great. But yes, I just got on like my jogger scrub pants that I love because they're so comfortable and it doesn't make me look like I'm wearing baggy, ugly scrubs. And then I just got this top from Walmart and it's a Minion scrub top. And I just thought it was really cute. Although they didn't have an extra small, I tend to get extra smalls in Walmart stuff. But this is a small, so it's still kind of baggy on me. But at this point, I'm just used to scrubs being big on me. So yeah, today should be an interesting day.
Time no voices speak. Ain't true the streets, my circumstances made that choice for me.
One of the biggest things I do is I have to feel like rush in between patients to clear the rooms. This is me just pulling down a different sheet of paper. I'm not fully disinfecting it because I know for a fact this person only sat up here for a few seconds, so I gave them an injection and we're always really busy. So I just changed that paper and now I am pulling up my next patient's chart so that I know who I'm seeing and why I'm seeing them before I get their vitals, because the doctors like us to have notes on there so that they know what's going on. Then after that, we do sometimes have moments where there are no patients and I have to do some administrative work, which is just printing off labs and then folding them and putting them in envelopes to send to patients' homes.
Okay, so what's up you guys? Today is the next day. It is a Friday and my office is only open until 12, so I'm happy because I'm like super duper tired, but it should be an easy day today. So yeah, I decided just to keep recording since the videos from yesterday were kind of short and I didn't get to show you much. And it's not that I don't want to show you guys everything, but a lot of it has to do with just HIPAA. Honestly, I can't violate HIPAA, so I can't show you guys any patient information or anything like that. One thing I think I forgot to mention is that my job, they caters a lot of lunches. So like yesterday we got the salad. I didn't even touch the salad because we also had lasagna and mashed potatoes, and I kind of ate on that a little bit, and I still have this left. So it's really nice because I always end up having stuff, you know, in my fridge. I mean, I'll show you my fridge because I just cleaned it out talking about having stuff. But I just cleaned it out and threw a lot of stuff away that like I just never ate again.
One of the most important things for me
hopefully
is
I don't get fat working here, but they always cater lunch.
I use my computer to clock in. So sometimes I hate when it takes a long time to load because it kind of annoys me because it's like I've been here, but I literally can't clock in until my computer comes up. So yeah. And then I also kind of just get my stuff out for the day. I usually have some coffee to get me awake. Once my computer does load, not only do I clock in, but I pull up my schedule for whatever doctor I'm working for that day. And yeah.
Okay guys, good morning. It is another day and I am running late, yet I'm sitting here trying to vlog because I'm like, we need content. So basically this is another day as a medical assistant. Tell me why, y'all, I'm so mad. Tell me why it doesn't have the audacity to snow in Kansas. So not only am I running late, but I gotta make sure all this snow gets knocked off my car. Thankfully, I have pushed to start, so I already started my car up so it can be warm because I know the heat was on from yesterday. Hopefully, because I've done that a few times, like push to start my car, and it really didn't even help nothing because turns out the whole time the heat went on. But a friend like had warned me yesterday, was like, oh, it's gonna be frosty tomorrow, make sure you're like prepared. And I'm just like shut up, like fall just started, it's not gonna be frosty, and here it is like freaking snow outside. Like, are you serious?
Getting clocked in, and then also pulling up my doctor's schedule for the day. Since I am afloat, I work for multiple different doctors, so it's really important for me to check my messages and make sure I know which doctor I'm working for that day, and printing out their schedule and getting everything set up. Also, you know, I get myself together in the morning, and I usually take 2 clipboards with me. The first one is my clipboard that has the schedule on it, and then the other clipboard that I take with me is my flu shot clipboard, because it is flu shot season and I do a lot of that right now. So I will show you guys that in just a second. And they're obviously both flipped upside down because of HIPAA. Like, I don't feel like I have to keep saying this at this point. Like, you guys should know all about HIPAA. So yeah, that's why they're flipped upside down, because they have patient information on them. And then I just get a pen for the day, and then I'm off to my rooms to make sure they're good to go for the day.
Okay, you guys, so I am home. It is about 5 o'clock. Technically, I am a full-time medical assistant, and I can stay till 5, but really I can leave whenever my doctor is done. And he has been leaving around 4:30 basically every day. And for this week, I don't know why, but I've just been so tired. So whenever we're done, I just leave. But I do think for the rest of this week, I'm going to try and stay till 5 just to get the hours, you know, make that coin. But as of right now, I've pretty much been leaving work pretty early. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really couldn't show you everything or much of what I do, obviously because of HIPAA. And then also, the reason why I didn't show you guys me drawing up any injections is because most of the injections that we give out where I currently work, they come in pre-filled syringes, so we don't typically draw them up. Well, the vaccines do anyway. So most of the injections I give are vaccines, and all I have to do is add the needle. Right now, obviously, it's flu season, so that's the most popular vaccine that I've been giving out. It's the flu vaccine. Ooh, excuse me. It's the flu vaccine, and then for kids going back to school, even though most of them are doing virtual and stuff, doing those type of vaccines. And then the stuff that I do have to draw up is like steroid shots and controlled substances. And I really didn't have much of that like this week. It's only certain patients that get stuff like that. So I don't draw up many shots, but I do add a lot of needles to pre-filled syringes. And I guess in my next video, I can try and show you guys some of that. But usually when I'm about to give an injection, I'm trying to move fast because I got another appointment coming soon. And I don't know, I like to feel like I'm helping my doctor out and not getting us behind by doing any, you know, extra stuff. So if you're not already subscribed, I hope you hit the subscribe button. And dang, I just messed up my little outro. Y'all, can y'all tell I'm tired? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.